The 3-channel 4K dashcam offers an impressive triple camera setup that captures high-quality video from the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle, ensuring comprehensive coverage. With its 4K high-definition front camera, this dashcam provides exceptional clarity, making it easy to read license plates and road signs, even from a distance. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the dashcam ensures clear footage in low-light conditions, making it ideal for nighttime driving and rideshare drivers. The built-in G-sensor and loop recording feature ensure that important footage is saved and not overwritten, providing peace of mind in case of an accident. The dashcam's parking monitor activates automatically to record any incidents while parked, offering continuous protection with a time-lapse recording option. User-friendly installation and operation makes setting up this dashcam straightforward, supported by excellent customer service for any technical assistance needed.